Insider's Guide to the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. Wanting to visit NYC for the huge parade? We have you secured with one/where/how tips to get the most out of this standout occasion. Understanding spending travel is situated in New York City, and we get similarly as cleared up in the city's vacation lights, music, and vitality as any guest. With the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade coming up, counting appearances by Leslie Odom Jr., Jimmy Fallon and the Roots, Gwen Stefani, Padma Lakshmi, the cast and Muppets of Sesame Street, and, obviously, the unparalleled Santa Claus, we need to furnish you with a portion of the best Live Like a Nearby guidance for getting the most out of this yearly party. The best way to visit NYC on Parade Day. It's amusing to be another Yorker for a day and leave the auto at home. In case you're drawing nearer from suburbia or past, jump on one of the Metro Zone's worker rail prepares or transports. Alternatives incorporate New Jersey Transit Transports and Prepares, Metro North Prepares, and the Long Island Railroad. Going for the occasion? Look at our cash-saving Thanksgiving travel tips. Nearby, buy a MTA Metro card, in a perfect world, before the huge day, to maintain a strategic distance from long queues, and take the transport of tram to the parade. Or then again, on the off chance that you totally should drive, stop on either the far west or east side of Manhattan and take open transportation to the parade course. Obviously, strolling in Manhattan, with its bustling roads, eye-popping shop presentations and world-renowned high-rises, is dependably a smart thought, and will help consume off a portion of the calories that you'll be devouring later in the day. The biggest mistake parade viewers make. While everyone realizes that the parade course prompts Macy's, at Herald Square, the region around West 34th Street and Broadway, for broadcast exhibitions from the parade stars, guests ought not remain underneath 38th Street. The region beneath 38th is the parade's comm zone, where members and entertainers plan for their close-up on TV, and you will totally pass up a great opportunity for energizing parade music and exhibitions around there. Where and when the parade begins. The parade will venture off at 9 a.m. at 77th Street and Central Park West. The parade will fly out down to Columbus Circle, turn onto Central Park South, at that point walk down 6th Avenue of the Americas, to Macy's Herald Square on 34th Street. Want to find out about Review the Parade? The total course can be found at Macys.com web link. The best place to watch the parade. While the majority of us don't have the alternative of getting a charge out of the parade from a 6th-floor condo on Central Park West like in the great occasion film Miracle on 34th Street, we do suggest that you approach the course from the west along Central Park West or the south along Central Park South for a generally close. Take a gander at the parade's opening vitality and high spirits with the wonderful stop as a scenery. The parade should take around an hour and a half to pass you by from the opening band to Santa Claus sleigh. Guarantee parade safety and comfort. The climate in NYC on Thanksgiving Day can go from underneath solidifying and blustery to bright with temps in the 60s, and it can change rapidly this season. Layer up, be set up to keep hands and feet warm, bring rain-proof coats, and wear sensible shoes. The night has an extensive nearness to guarantee a sheltered and cheerful morning for all, yet take after your typical presence of mind travel rehearses, keep your resources to a base, abstain from bearing oversized rucksacks and gear, dependably focus on your environment. What's more, as we generally say here in NYC, on the off chance that you see something, say something.